Are you ready to take control of your finances in 2024? This video will guide you through a step-by-step process to create an effective and realistic budget. First, start by estimating your total income for the year. This should include all sources of revenue such as salary, bonuses, and investment returns. Have a clear understanding of how much money you will have to work with. Next, identify all your expenses. These include fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. They also include variable costs such as groceries, entertainment, and travel. Don't forget to account for occasional or irregular expenses that may arise throughout the year. Now, it's time to allocate a portion of your budget to an emergency fund. This fund serves as your financial safety net, providing you with resources in case of unexpected situations. If you have any outstanding debts, it's crucial to allocate a portion of your budget to repay them. Prioritize those with high interest rates to avoid accumulating more debt over time. Next up, savings and investments. Always set aside a portion of your budget for long-term financial goals. This could include contributions to retirement accounts or investments in stocks, mutual funds, or other financial instruments. Have any personal or financial goals for the year? Set aside funds for these too. This could be anything from travel, education, home improvement, or any other personal project. Don't forget to include a contingency or buffer in your budget. This will help you manage unforeseen expenses and changes in financial circumstances that might occur. Your budget isn't set in stone. Make sure to review and adjust it regularly. Life circumstances can change, and your budget should be flexible enough to adapt to these changes. Consider using technology to your advantage. Budgeting tools and apps can help you track your income and expenses and provide valuable insights into your spending patterns and financial goals. Lastly, if you find budgeting challenging or if you have complex financial situations, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial professionals can provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. Remember, the key to a successful budget is realistic planning and disciplined execution. Regularly tracking and adjusting your budget ensures that it remains effective and aligned with your financial goals throughout the year. By following these steps, you're on your way to taking control of your finances in 2024.